ISME Revenue Minister, Ma'am Jennifer Mansaratha Mehta, along with WRD Minister Sir Philip Leddy, and even the collector, all of them were there. We have given them our representation, asking for the bypass on stilts. We've explained to them कि या जाग्यार खऱ्या बांदा थोड्या बांदूं आसा तो आख्खो बुट्टा every year it's माती घाल नाका already बुट्टा ते तुमी सगळे प्रेसान पळयलें हा लोकांन पळयलें it's witnessed. So tomorrow when the bypass is coming through that area and if you are going to put tons of earth there, what will be the consequence? You are damaging ecology, you are damaging the biodiversity, you are damaging traditional farmers who are working there, who are toiling in that area, and besides that the impact of flooding. The flooding doesn't affect only the Pedai residents or the Report residents, which is the closest area. It will have effects even on the furthermore areas because the water which gets collected in this area is not the rain water itself. It is the water which flows right from Kolva, the fields which are connected to the village from Kolva, Arsuli, all this is connected and that's how the catchment area is there. We require this flooding plain also because this helps in groundwater recharge. In the near future we will be fighting wars for water. But here, this is like a natural reservoir where the groundwater is recharged. And tomorrow, after we have the bypass coming here, it will be damaged. So, when we made a representation to the Revenue Minister, Ma'am Mansarat, explaining to her the disaster management plans which the state does, which the collector does with the Mamladars, we are trying to avoid this by putting up on stilts, no doubt additional cost, but in the long run, it will be beneficial for the society. She has given us a word that she will speak to the concerned departments, that's the PWD highways, and get called up for an inspection in the following week. We hope that the government will hear the plea of the children, the small movement by the children which was started on 15 November, taken up by the farmers and the villagers to reach to the government.
Representation saying that where the new road is coming now, there should be an area which is on stilts for the water to flow. So what I told her was, since I'm not from the engineering, I cannot do that, but I assured her that I would assist her in that, in speaking to the right department. So what problem she has is a genuine problem of the fields which are flooding. So all I could do is assure her that I would speak to the departments and bring them to the location that she showed and have an inspection there. So that I will do in the next week.